Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today again we are going to upload guys Samsung phone setting guys, and today we will try to get default font style guys. How can we set in our Samsung phone device guys? You want to set guys your default font styles and how can you set today guys? I will show you. I will tell you guys. So before starting video, can first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon. So guys, open guys your phone setting guys, and guys we will click on guys this phone guys, this display and brightness setting guys. So guys we will on it, and guys after on guys then guys scroll it, and first click on this phone and style setting guys. We will tap here guys, and first click on font style. So as you can see guys, your default font guys, we will tap here, and first automatic guys your font style will default. So like that guys, you can set guys your default font style in your Samsung phone device. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you understood how to set default font style in Samsung mobile. Bye guys.